there, if you sell antiques or collect them, I'm going to show you a way to stay organized. From tracking all of the items that you own and the total value. This sheet is available on my website at savvyandthriving.com. It's available in Google Sheets and Excel. I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, here we go. So we're going to go to the dashboard first. This is going to show you the total number of items that you own, the total value of your collection, and then you can rate your items from uncommon to unique to ultra rare, and you can see the value of each type. Here you can put your top 10 items that you own, and just as a fun list. So we can put like 1965 comic book. And then you can rate your top items if you'd like. And then here is your inventory tracker. So let's just do a quick sample. Let's just say that this is going to be your comic book. And we can put the category if you'd like. And then the date that you've collected the item. And then the date it was produced. And then it will show you the age of the item. You can put the condition anywhere from mint to fair. So let's say it's in mint condition. What location is it in? And how rare is your item? Is it common or unique? And the value. How much did you buy it for? Where did you get it? If there's a serial number involved, what brand is it? If you have insurance on it, what's the value of the insurance? And any notes. At the top, it will show you the total number of items that you own and the total value of your entire collection. This is one of my many sheets that can help you to stay organized. I have sheets to help you organize your hobbies, your home, and your business, and your budget as well. So feel free to take a look around my website. Let me know if you have questions, and I hope you have a great day.